So do you want to do this with just using one button? And this trick is called slide cancel. So I'll show it to you. Just watch this video.
Get ready.
So it's me again. Welcome back to another video tricks tutorial. So we will be key mapping slide cancel and slide cancel jump. So if you want to learn that, just watch this video. So before anything else, I'll just show you the normal slide and the slide cancel, so you'll know the difference. So this is the normal slide. And this is the slide cancel. And this is the slide cancel jump. So this trick is very easy to do using Flydigi Q1, Flydigi Scorpion D1, and same goes to Flydigi Apex 2. So, and this trick is only applicable for multiplayer mode. I'll show you later what it looks like when you do it in Battle Royale PvP mode. So for key mapping slide cancel, open Flydigi app, edit, and let's make button for it. So let's make new, open Flydigi app, click new, slide the WSD button here, and let's save this first. Any file name you want, confirm. Then let's open again Flydigi app, edit, and let's make button for slide cancel. Let's say previous key. So double click this, choose macro, edit, add two buttons. So the first one should be put on the crouch icon, and we will set it to click normal. The current action duration should be that 0.255, and the time interval from previous action should be default at 0.03. It should be click and normal. Confirm this, and this one, the number 2, open this and choose click normal, and you don't need to do anything to this button. So confirm, put this on the aim icon or the scope icon. So let's save this, save, and of course you need to run first, and also put the right stick here at the right side of the screen, so you can set this to your preferred sensitivity. Confirm, save. Of course you need to run first before doing this trick. Press the button, the previous button. See? By the way, you can also set this trick to continue. So edit, choose the previous button again, and set this to press repeat, and then confirm and save. So, but there will be a glitch, so it really depends on you if you like this trick or the original trick that we made. So this happens when you turn this to press and repeat. You need to run first and then press and hold the previous button. See? But sometimes it will not work properly like this one. It suddenly turned into prone. So it's really up to you if you want to do that. The next trick is the slide cancel jump. So let's open Flydigi app, edit. Let's make button. Let's say next button. The next button. Open this. Choose macro, edit. Add 2 buttons again. Just like what we did earlier. Open this. You only need to change this to 2.55. And it should be click and normal, confirm. Put this on the crouch icon and open this, and you don't need to do anything here. Just drag and drop this to the aim icon, and then save this. Make another button again. Okay, and make should be also a next button. So open this, choose macro, edit, just add 1 button. Open this and just make this one add 0.6, and it should be click and normal, and the current action duration should be by default, so you don't need to do anything there. So confirm and put this on the jump icon. Save this and let's test it out. So run first. See? There you go. I'm using only 1 button here. The next button. Slide cancel will look like this in TTT mode. I think that will be all for this video, and I hope you like this video and you learn from this. You can share this to your friends that use Flydigi products. So by the way, you can do this in Flydigi Q1, Flydigi Scorpion D1, Flydigi Apex 2 Vader. As long as it uses Flydigi Game Center app, you can do this with only just 1 button. So that's all, and see you in my next video.